Okay, we are back for math. Today, we are going to be doing this worksheet to practice more addition, but we're only going to do half of it. Okay. Adding within 10 is something I believe all of you can do independently when you have your blocks. So I'm going to do it with you, but I want you to try to do this as best you can by yourselves, okay? Because I know you can. When we're adding, what is the adding sign? What is addition? Addition and adding plus are the same things. Which one is that? Is it this or is it this? This symbol means plus, adding, addition. Okay, you're adding two numbers together and counting them all together. Two numbers make one bigger number. Just like if you were going to the grocery store and you needed to get a bunch of apples. Okay, you're going to make an apple pie at home, so you need to pick up apples. If you pick up 2 apples and your mom or dad pick up 3 apples, you both got apples for the apple pie that you're going to bring home. When you get home, how many apples are you going to have all together? Count my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Okay, so we took two numbers, added them together to get one bigger number. So that equation would be 2 plus 3 equals 5. And that's what we're going to be working on. But before we do that, guess what we have to do? We need to practice counting our blocks. So I need you to dump your blocks out. I'm moving you down, 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 down. And you need to dump out your blocks and practice counting them. Super important skill, especially when you're going to be paying with money. If you want to buy something at the grocery store, or if you're going to be packaging something for a job, you need to know how to count different items. All right, so let's practice counting. Put them together and we're going to do the drag and count. Count with me first, and then I want you to pause me so that you can count yourself. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so let's look at those numbers specifically. Really fast, I'm going to write them out. You can start laying yours out and counting as I'm writing this, okay? Okay, if you're not done, pause me. If you are, here we go. So looking at these numbers, these are the numbers that trip us up sometimes, especially when we're counting. So let's go over them. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, can you count them for me? Okay, good job. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we need to get into our addition page. So you can fold your paper in half so you're not looking at the whole thing. But let's start with this one. What would this equation say? Read it for me. 4 plus, remember this is plus, not minus. 4 plus 3 equals, and then we have to find out. Okay, so you need to put out your blocks. Let's do this. You can do this on your page too. If it makes it easier, draw a little box plus another little box. Put your blocks in there. Okay, so the first one is 4 plus 3. So I'm going to put 4 blocks in here and count 1, 2, 3 blocks in here. So now I have my 4. Don't worry about these. Let me put these away so I'm not distracting. 4 plus 3 equals, and we have to count them all together. So now we moved them all together to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's our answer. 4 plus 3 equals 7. There we go. Next one, 6 plus 4 equals. So we have to set up our little blocks here. I need 6 here, 4 here. Go ahead and do that. You need to count them out one by one into your circles. You should be doing this along with me. Pause me if I'm going too fast. Okay, so now I have my 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I move them together and I pull and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my total is 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, my back is hurting so much. Okay, 2 plus 7 equals. That's our next problem right here. 2 plus 7 equals. So I have to set that up. Put 2 in one box, 7 in the other. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I know that I have my right ones. 2 plus 7 equals, and now I move them together and count them out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. Okay, next problem. What does this say? 8 plus 1 equals. Put 8 in one and 1 in the other. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Add them together. Now I count them all. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, these next 4, we're going to do it a different way, and we're going to count on, practice counting on like we were doing on Friday. Okay, that's a very important skill too. It saves you a lot of time when you're counting. So, this first problem, what does this say? 4 plus 5 equals. Okay, so I need to put 4 in one and 5 in the other. Okay, I know that I have 4 here. Okay, that's my first number. I know that I have 4, so I'm going to just count on. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my answer. I put it right here. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals 9. We counted on from 4. Now let's try it with this one. 2 plus 8 equals. Put 2 in here, 8 in here. All right. I know I have 2. This one's pretty easy because it's just 2, but it's rather than saying 1, 2, 3, you can just say, okay, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now this one, these are low numbers. Simple, simple. 3 plus 1 equals. I have 3 plus 1 more would be 4. Okay, I know I have 3. 1 more is 4. If you need to double check your work, you say 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now we do this one. 2 plus 6 equals. Okay. I know I have 2, so let's count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And there we go. We'll finish this one tomorrow, but before we do that, I want to do another problem that is within 20, okay? Within 20, higher numbers, because I know we can do it. Let's do 10 plus 5 equals. Okay, let's do 10 plus 5 equals. So what are you going to do? How many do we need to put in this box? 10. Put 10 blocks in there. Okay, I was counting in my head. You don't always have to count out loud if we can keep track of it. And then I need you to put 5 in that box. All right, so I know I have 10 here and 5. Rather than recounting this 10, I already know it's here. So we're just going to count on from 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. If you want to check your work, add them all together and then pull and drag. We can double check to make sure we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there we have it. We were right. 10 plus 5 equals 15. I just wanted to do that to show you that it works for bigger numbers too, like we were working on Friday. And when you get older and you have a job and they're telling you that you need to package different items and put some in here, like put 5 in here, put 15 in here, you need to be able to count different items into the packages to make sure they get to people correctly. Okay, so that's why we do this. Sound good? We're all done for today. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow.